This book, One Day of Life is Life, Joan Maragall, is the first English language anthology of poetry and important prose by outstanding Catalan poet Joan Maragall, whose keen eye and voice earned him an enduring place among Spain's pantheon of great works in several languages. Maragall's poetry, groundbreaking in form and content, moves away from the grandiose verse of his romantic predecessors, yet carries forward their essential power, now encapsulated in a disarmingly simpler poetics, breaching the wall between ordinary language and poetic statement, not unlike Emily Dickinson and Walt Whitman. Our book, One Day of Life is Life, which shows the original Catalan poems and English translations on facing pages, is extensively annotated with headnotes to each section and endnotes with details about both the text of each poem and its contexts, as well as a 20-page introduction, not to mention an eye-opening preface by English writer and critic Michael Ode. The poem I'm going to read today is one of Maragall's nature poems. In it, Maragall speaks to the self-limitation by which we fence in our living, dulling our senses, and devitalizing our capacity to perceive and engage the world in a way that is reminiscent of a Rousseauian reverie. The solitary walker reaches a spot deep in the woods where a sweet oblivion of the world takes hold, and amid the overwhelming green stillness, an uncanny sensation of living freedom washes over the walker, a feeling of fellowship with the liberating prison that are the woods. The beech woods of Jourda. You know the beech woods called Jourda, out by Olot, above the plain. You'll come to a spot that's deep and green. It's not like any you've ever seen. It's green as waters, deep and clear, the green of the beech woods of Jourda. The walker, entering these woods, proceeds at a pace that's easy and slow, counting the steps in the quiet stillness, and stopping, hears nothing, and now is lost. A sweet oblivion of the world takes hold in the silence that governs that deep spot. No thought of escape, pointless anyway, held among the beeches of Jourda, captive to silence and green. This fellowship, this liberating prison.